Hi everyone, welcome back to the next tutorial how to build Binance cloning page. Now we will build this section as you can see in the red. So it's basically a very simple section, so let's start recording. I will name the section support. Why? Because it's as you can see, it's a support section. It's kind of need help, FAQ, and blog. We can call it support. And you can always click on the chat now to get a support from the Binance. So it's logical to call it support. Very logical. Alright, so we need to like always two files: support.gsx and support.module.css. So RF, it's a shortcut to create a functional component on React. It's if I remember true, I use some extension. I think I don't remember exactly what the extension to cause this alright, it's probably ES7 plus React Redux extension. So if you want to, you can add it, and basically as you edit, once you edit, you can type RF like this. It's open you like a menu. You can choose what functional component you want to. It's like a shortcut. Alright, it's not important for now, so let's save it. So let's import the CSS. Let's add the support component to the main so let's check on the build. We have to open in project now. One is running on port 3000. It's a ready one, and what we build currently, it's on build, so we need to check that we support is appear here. Yep, support is appear here, so this basically works. So let's start recording. First name will be status support. After that, we need the H2. We need help. Here I will create for these three elements, I will create a UL. Class name support list, and let's use alias inside it. This like always, we need to import an image component. You can see I use how I use an image component with styles. Also, we need to import a link. So this is one line, and we can go to our browser and see how it's look like. Very nice. So we need basically the line for the FAQ and for the blog. So this is a line for FAQ. Yep. And another line. Like I said before, I prepared all the elements before, so I'm not going to type them again. I just copy from my my finished project, and if you need the source code, it's will be inside the description below the video. I will leave a link in the GitHub, in my GitHub page, and you can just go there and copy and follow me how I do it, so it's not a big problem for you. So basically JSX is ready, yeah? It's a little bit code, it's not a lot. So now we need the CSS. So and the support we use flex, column, margin. You can see all the nice thing we use. If you want to copy the CSS from the screen, it's okay. We need also a media query. Alright, so that's it. We can see here the section is looks very good. We basically don't have any mistakes or any errors, so it looks very nice. You can also see how it looks on the mobile. It's become responsive to the mobile, so it's basically very looking good. So I have thank you for the watching, and go on with me to the next video.